Hey guys, I'm back again. So, a little bit of snag. I was trying to go ahead and dig this over here again the other day. I stretched it out. But I came up with something that's not good. So, anyways, guys, I came across this. I think it's our local high-speed cable. So anyways, that's not going to work. So I had to dig through here carefully, or I'm going to have to rethink, because you can't do that. I can't cut people's internet. Yeah, I won't be able to afford to get that fixed on my watch. So anyways, this is a quick little update. I might put a hold to that for a little bit, so I can figure out what I'm going to do. Whether I want to move that from there, or to just work stuff over here for right now, in there. That's what it's for. Not quite sure yet on that, but I'm getting things prepped here to start get this thing taken care of. I'm gonna have a couple ideas. I'm definitely gonna rebuild. Definitely gonna be rebuilding the coop. That's gonna be a lot bigger. This, I'm not sure I'm gonna do this yet. I'm gonna try to get it all done, all new, everything. And I'm gonna get rid of, I don't like how this is all, this structure is just garbage. I got it off Amazon for cheap because we're kind of in a rush, and that's me as being a beginner, kind of, you know, newbie, stupid thing to do. Anyways, yeah, I got things, getting things set up from our local store. I get some supplies and stuff, get this thing rebuilt, try to get this thing all redone. So, and I'm actually thinking of maybe, I don't know if I have enough money to do it right now, but I might start getting some fencing stuff ready, some like T-posts and stuff, to start cordoning off our garden. So this little girl right here that's going crazy can't get to the garden. Anyways, that's a quick little update. I'll give you an update in the next one. Thanks, see you guys. Oh, hey guys, if you can, you guys can please like, subscribe, and comment. Help me out a bunch. Help me continue to create more content and better content. And oh, and one last thing before I go. I'm talking to a buddy of mine, trying to get a vehicle to convert for all electric. Part of my my projects I'm going to be doing. It's all part of sustainable living, to do all electric, so I can charge with the sun and not have to worry about the grid. Anyways, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know in the next video on what that'll be. If, you know, like I said, we're working on it, and I'm trying to see if they'll actually donate it to me for my channel, so I can keep an eye on things. And I have a lot of people that are prospects on it and want to see how things are going and what I'm going to do with it. So anyways, if you guys can, like I said, give me a follow, give me a subscribe, likes, comments. Always give me comments. I'll get back to you as much as I can. Anyways, I'll see you guys next one.